We're here to help you choose between the DJI Air 3 and DJI Mini 3 Pro, two of the most potent drones available right now. We'll go through the specifications and features of both drones so you can choose one with confidence. There are now even more fantastic options to select from with the latest arrival of the DJI Air 3. Yet, which drone is the best option for you? What improvements over the Mini 3 Pro does the Air 3 have? The Mini 3 Pro is the best option in terms of portability and design. As its name implies, it is exceedingly little and light, only 249 grams, making it a highly transportable and simple drone. Even though the Air 3 is a little bit larger and more substantial than other drones in its class, it is still rather portable. The DJI Air 3 excels in camera performance. The Air 3 is the first device in the Air series to use a dual primary camera system. It combines a 1x1.3-inch CMOS wide-angle camera and a 1x1.3-inch CMOS 3x medium telecamera into a svelte and portable design. The two cameras give constant image quality and more dynamic imaging possibilities because they have the same sensor size but different focal lengths. The DJI Air 3 excels in camera performance. The Air 3 is the first device in the Air series to use a dual primary camera system. It integrates a 1x1.3-inch CMOS wide-angle camera and a 1x1.3-inch CMOS 3x medium telecamera into a svelte and portable design. The two cameras give constant image quality and more dynamic imaging opportunities because they have the same sensor size but different focal lengths. While the Mini 3 Pro has respectable camera capabilities, the quality of its overall images is constrained by its smaller sensor. While the flight performance of both drones is remarkable, there are certain differences to take into account. Obstacle detecting in every direction is a feature of Air 3, increasing flying safety. In addition, it has a 46-minute maximum flying time, allowing you extra time to explore, prepare your shots, and carry them out. Both drones have sophisticated flight features that improve the user experience in general. These include Master Shots, which offers to produce professional-level videos with little effort, and Active Track, which enables the drone to automatically track and follow a subject. True Vertical Filming, where the gimbal can literally rotate 90 degrees to capture footage that is suited for social media without the need for cropping or resizing, is one of the Mini 3 Pro's notable features. For many buyers, cost is a deciding issue. The Mini 3 Pro is the more affordable choice, making it appropriate for beginners or those trying to keep their expenses in check. The more expensive DJI Air 3 is perfect for amateurs and professionals searching for the best performance from a portable and lightweight drone. It has cutting-edge capabilities and greater camera performance. However, the DJI Air 3 is the clear champion if you value the best camera performance, obstacle sensing, and cutting-edge functionality. You should be able to choose a camera drone depending on your preferences and budget if you think about what you need and want from one and how it compares to the features mentioned above. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.